This is my old Feastables chocolate bar. And as you know, it tastes better than a Hershey's bar. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jimmy, why are you engulfing your old Feastables bar in flames? Well, it all started about 1 year ago. I was in a Feastables business meeting, and I realized tasting better than Hershey's wasn't so special. Doesn't everything taste better than Hershey's? Like literally, doesn't anything on the planet taste better than a Hershey's bar?
Yeah, I thought so.
You know that?
None of you felt the need to tell me this? If everything tastes better than Hershey's, what makes us special? Yeah, well, the answer is nothing. And to be honest, myself and my entire company weren't exactly fans of that harsh truth. And so I set out to do something better. And what's better than being better than Hershey's?
Am I fired?
Well, how about being better than everyone? The best on earth. And from that day forward, we worked tirelessly. Like I'm talking barely even sleeping. I traveled from country to country, chocolate factory to chocolate factory. Tried out hundreds of formulas, which eventually led us to this. The best tasting chocolate ever made by mankind. Also known as our brand new Beastchocobar. This is the best tasting chocolate on earth. Good job, boys.
Whoa, 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 whoa. How do we know that's the best tasting chocolate in the world?
You're fired. Leave.
I was just gonna say that we do a blind taste test.
Wait a minute. We should prove it in a blind taste test format. That's genius. So I set up a random warehouse where I'm going to invite hundreds of strangers to do a blind taste test on our brand new chocolate. All 4 of these pieces of chocolate have no branding and there's no labels distinguishing anything between them. The only thing they are voting on is taste. So now it's time to see how our new chocolate formula holds up to 3 of the top European chocolates.
The first one the best.
Of course she picked Feastables.
I'm gonna go with the first one.
Yup.
That has a really nice bite to it, and it's a little bit richer than the other ones.
I'm not even surprised by what she's saying. Another one.
I like that a lot. It's really good. I would eat that every day.
That is what an intelligent man looks like.
So weird taste you haven't tasted before.
It reminds me of like, it's not Hershey. Hershey's not that good.
Better than Hershey's. Flat out.
This might bankrupt Hershey's.
Got chocolate for sure.
Another one. Back to back to back to back. I'm gonna be honest, we just keep winning. It's boring. And the new bars come in 7 flavors: milk chocolate.
Thank you.
Milk crunch. Yes, please. Almond, peanut butter. Used to be called these nuts, but you know. Peanut butter crunch.
That one?
Dark chocolate.
Mine.
And dark chocolate sea salt.
Thank you.
The new bars are available nationwide at every single Walmart. Go give them a try. We genuinely put a ton of effort into these, and if you spend your money on Feastables, I really want you to enjoy it. And starting February 17th, for 30 days straight, we are going to be giving away $10,000 to a lucky customer who scans the QR code on the back of any new Feastable bar. So go give the new bars a try. You might win 10 grand, and I can't wait to see what all of you think.
Thank you, Mr. Beast.